Welcome to Engage Spaces, and today we're going to be discussing groups. Now, groups are a great way to help organize your people in your organization. The purpose of a group, sometimes called a chapter or a small group, is to create a structure of individual groups of people who help form the overall organization itself. So, here in the Movement Association, Gray Crumblehorn is a part of the Burlington group. Now, in the Burlington group, he is identified as the leader, and he has a leader in training, he has members, and he also has other people as some contacts that he's connected to for his group. As the leader, he can access his group on the sidebar here, see all of his people, he can access their individual information, he can take private notes about these people, collect notices, add new people to his group. You can also look at the data of how his people have been interacting and performing over the past few weeks. Now, the purpose of groups, again, helps you organize people. And so we want to be able to create a system and structure for your people to join and be involved. Groups can be signed up for on the homepage, on the Engage Spaces homepage, and can also be shared publicly for individuals. We can customize each individual group based on name, location, gender, weekday type, time, providing a description, and even giving a photo. Additionally, we can also ask very specific custom questions for our group when anyone is signing up for a group to make sure that we know who these people are and some of the important details we may have for them prior to them joining. Now, to create a group, we need to go over to our administration tab and go to groups. Once here in groups, we can see the aggregated data of all of our groups, and we can see all the different groups that we have currently existing. To share a group, all you have to do is click on one of the links and share the information and feed for that specific group. Let's go ahead and create a new group. We're going to specifically create a group in an Ontario location. We need to identify who the leader of this group will be. In this case, I'm going to make Gray Crumblehorn the leader of this group. And we got to name the group as well. And so in this case, I'm going to call this the Hamilton location, the Hamilton group. Now that we have our group created, we can enter on into our group and we can start adding details and information to the group itself. To add people, all we need to do is come over here to members, and in the membership, we can start adding names such as, let's go with, we have Rosalinda or Parnell. Add Parnell as a member. We can add Rosalinda as a leader in training or other leader. We have all the different roles within our groups. Now, to identify which role is important for which individual, we have 5 different main stages: contact, member, leader in training, leader, supervisor, and manager. Contacts are individuals who are connected with your group but do not use Engage Spaces. Members will use and implement Engage Spaces but are not necessarily training to become a leader. Leaders in training are training to be a leader. The leader helps organize the group. And then a supervisor typically is a structure or system for overseeing the multiple groups. And a manager would oversee a district or a set of multiple groups. All these names are completely customizable to your organization with Engage Spaces. Once we've created our list, the group itself has been made. We can edit all the details and information here, providing a location, gender, weekday, time, any description. We can share it on the homepage, and we can allow people to get connected to our group once we hit save. Now that we are a part of the groups, any reports that are set to go to groups will also be sent to us. We can now take attendance for our groups, and we can be tracked over time like any other group that exists. If you want to learn more about reporting, though, check out our reporting video. And there you have it. That is our quick rundown of how to create a group and what are groups. If you have more questions, feel free to check us out at engagespaces.com or reach out to us at info@engagespaces.com.